Hi, I'm that Astro chap, and this is my 60-second tutorial on how to use the Dynamic Background Extraction tool. The tool lives under Process, Background Modelization, Dynamic Background Extraction. This brings up the panel where you can configure everything you want to do in the tool. The main thing we want to do is click the Generate button using the defaults, and it puts a number of boxes on the screen. We can then adjust the tolerance, and we can adjust the number of samples and the size of them to generate more boxes and cover more of the background of our image. Play with these boxes until you've positioned them all so that they're not on top of any stars, nebula, or other details. You can add and remove extra boxes as necessary. Once you've done this, the next thing to do is go to the Target Image Correction panel, and we want to select the correction mode as a subtraction. Click the Replace Target Image button, take a copy of the process, and let's run it. Now that we've run this, we can close it, and then we can reopen the process we've just saved. Let's change the target correction this time to be a division, and apply it again to remove any final gradient. That's Dynamic Background Extraction in 1 minute.